Search the large kitchen for a batch of badges. Before we get to our practice sentences, be sure to subscribe to our channel to get updates on our latest quick twists and other pronunciation videos come out. Welcome to Quick Twists on Fluent American, where we look at one or two sounds and practice them with a sentence. My name is Jeff. Today, we're looking at two sounds, the ch and j sounds, like batch and badge. To make the ch sound, press the tip of your tongue against your alveolar ridge, where your top tooth meets your gum. Ch, ch. You will then release. You should also feel on the sides of your tongue your top teeth, so your top teeth make contact with the sides of your tongue. Again, it should sound like ch, ch, like in batch, batch. To make the j sound, j, like in badge, badge, make sure that one, your throat is vibrating. So make sure your throat is vibrating here. Also, the mouth position is identical to the ch sound. So again, the tip of your tongue will touch the top of your mouth and release. The sides of your tongue should feel your top teeth. Again, badge, badge. Batch, badge, batch, badge. Lunch, lunge, lunch, lunge. Etch, edge, etch, edge. Search, surge, search, surge.
1, 2, 3.
Search the large kitchen for a batch of badges. Badges, batch of badges. Search, search the large. Search the large kitchen. Search the large kitchen for a batch of badges. That concludes this video on the ch and j sounds. For more information, please visit our website at fluentamerican.com. Check out our other videos on our YouTube page and follow us on our social pages, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We also have an active Facebook group. If you search for Fluent American English pronunciation, you can find us on Facebook and join for daily practice. My name is Jeff again. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.